Hi everyone, my name is Sam. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notification every time I post a new video. Also, please like this video for the YouTube algorithm. This will help me grow this channel. In this video, I will use ChatGPT to solve some of your Excel related issues. So please watch until the end and let's get started. The first thing that I want to ask ChatGPT is a specific template. So if you're looking for a specific template, you don't have to create it yourself. You can ask ChatGPT for what template are available related to you, what do you need, and then you can use one of those templates for whatever you would like. So I will just say that what are some of the good Excel templates for budgeting, and let ChatGPT kind of process the information. And let's see, it says a personal budget template kind of gives you an explanation about what personal budget template is, and then zero budget template and gives you a little bit of information about that. Family budget template, a little bit about that. So let's do a family budget template and see what happens. So I'll just click on here, and then I'll just here file and then go to new, and then I'll just here search for templates. It says family budget template. So these are all family budget templates that are available. I'll just click on this one, and then so this is like a household template for different things. So these are expenses. This is the amount each person pays, and these are the people who pays them. You can customize this. So for example, instead of Sarah, you can just say Sam. Uh, Nadia, you can just do add someone else. So when you change this, it will the drop down for this will change. Go back. So if I go Sam, the drop down for this will change. So now instead of Sarah, you have to put Sam here because Sarah disappeared because Sarah is not part of the formula. So if I put, I use the drop down as Sam. Since I changed the name here to Sam, the drop down here kind of gave me the option of Sam. So if I change the Sam to something else, I'll change it to John. It'll give me an error again, and then it says give me an error because John cannot be found and who pays. So here now I have the option of John. We don't have the option of Sam, so I put John here, and this thing is good now. And I can also add more rows to this. So if I want to add like a Netflix bill in here, I can do Netflix. The bill is $15, and then I can have John pays for that. So here we go. It was 350 before, now it's 375. So this is sort of a live document that when you make changes to any of them, it will kind of makes changes to all of them. So there are like formulas that are kind of working in the background that is doing all the math and everything. So here the total expense is now 1405. So if I change this amount to 500, uh, so now John amount change to 515 now, and you see this total expense also increase. So templates could be very useful here, and ChatGPT can guide you toward the right template. So the second thing that I want to ask ChatGPT is about specific ads in. So for example, if you're doing data analysis or Power Query and you are looking for specific ads in, you can ask ChatGPT for some of the best ads in that are available. So it says what are some of the good Excel ads in for data analysis. You just enter and ChatGPT will kind of process this information. So and then give you a bunch of ads in. So here it says Power Query. It allows you to do all these things, and then Power Pivot. It allows you to do all these things. So I'm not going to read every single line, but it kind of gives you the as in, and then a little description about that as in and what it can do. So to add as in to your Excel, you have to open the Excel spreadsheet and then go to developer tab, and here you see option for as in. Just click here, and here it says open store. So you go to the as in store where you search for any of these ads in that you like, and then add that to your Excel spreadsheet. So that'll kind of become part of your Excel spreadsheet. So now the third thing that I want to ask ChatGPT is that, for example, you received an Excel spreadsheet for whatever reason, and it is not opening on your Excel. So it could be many reason, or if your Excel is crashing. So you can ask ChatGPT on why Excel is crashing when I try to open a file. So Excel, ChatGPT will kind of process the information and give you like bunch of reasons on why your Excel could be crashing. So it says it could be a corrupt file, and then kind of give you like a little description on why that is happening, and then here it kind of gives you a solution on how you can repair that. So it says go to file, then open and repair. And then outdated software is one of the issues, conflicting ads in, insufficient memory, virus or malware. So you see all these solutions, or all these problems, and then their solution related to that specific problem. So excel ChatGPT could be used to solve many of the other issues in Excel as well, but these are just some of the examples. So if you are having some other issue with uh, your Excel, you can just ask ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will kind of give you a solution like this. It will kind of give you an instruction on how you can actually repair your Excel spreadsheet. So this is it for this video. So if you like this video, please check out some of my other related content. You should see the link in the description below. Also, you can hit the like button, and also share this with your friends or anyone you think will benefit from this content. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.